It's just a short,
Oh,
like a 5.
Well, I've seen a couple minute long shorts. It's not very short.
Yeah. Nature has the sky. All the butterflies are flying around. These forest trees.
Watermelon sugar.
What do you think it said to me? The bells on the sound at night. There we are at our house now, guys, so you can talk now.
Like and subscribe. Did I say that?
Yeah, like and subscribe, yeah. Just come into nature with you.
Yeah,
With
we just come to
nature
nature.
and God.
People love nature.
Be careful about these plants.
You all see it?
Yeah.
You need a drink or something? Because I got Dr. Pepper.
Alright, just go get me a drink.
Excuse me?
Maybe a tea. Mommy, I'll do it then. Mom,
Say please, Mom.
go get me can you go get me a tea, please?
I don't know if we have any tea. I think you drank it all.
Just go look.
You go look. You're not going to believe me. I could walk inside and come back and say, nope, no tea.
Just look all these trees.
Okay. Gotcha. All right, go look.